Welcome to this video on how to attract anyone without saying anything. Whether you are looking to attract a potential romantic partner or simply want to make new friends, it is possible to do so without saying a single word. In this video, we will explore 6 powerful techniques that can help you attract anyone, regardless of the situation. Body language is one of the most important factors when it comes to attracting anyone without saying anything. Your posture, facial expressions, and overall body language can communicate a lot about your personality, confidence, and interest. If you want to attract someone without speaking, focus on your body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use open gestures. Avoid crossing your arms or legs, as it can communicate defensiveness or disinterest. Instead, face the person you want to attract, and use positive and open gestures to show your interest. Your appearance can also play a significant role in attracting anyone without saying anything. Dressing well and taking care of your appearance can show that you are confident, successful, and attractive. Make sure you wear clothes that fit you well and make you feel comfortable and confident. You don't need to wear expensive or flashy clothes, but try to present yourself in a way that communicates your personality and style. When you take care of your appearance, you are more likely to attract the attention of others, even without speaking a word. Eye contact is a powerful tool when it comes to attracting anyone without saying anything. It can communicate your interest, confidence, and attentiveness. When you meet someone you want to attract, try to make eye contact with them. Hold their gaze for a few seconds, and then look away. This can communicate that you are interested in them, without coming on too strong. Avoid staring or making intense eye contact, as it can be intimidating or uncomfortable. Instead, try to make natural and confident eye contact to show your interest. In addition to your posture and eye contact, your overall body language can also help you attract anyone without saying anything. Using positive and open gestures can communicate your confidence and interest. For example, you can use hand gestures to emphasize your points, smile often to communicate friendliness, and use a relaxed and open posture to show your comfort and confidence. Try to match the body language of the person you want to attract, as it can create a sense of connection and similarity. Even without speaking, you can show your interest in someone through your actions. For example, you can offer to buy them a drink, help them with something, or simply pay attention to their needs. Small acts of kindness and attention can communicate your interest and sincerity. You can also try to engage with them through shared interests or activities. For example, if you both enjoy a certain hobby, suggest doing it together or sharing tips and advice. When you show interest and effort, you are more likely to attract the attention of the person you want to attract. Finally, the key to attracting anyone without saying anything is to be confident and authentic. Confidence can communicate your positive traits and attract others towards you. Authenticity, on the other hand, can show that you are genuine and trustworthy. Avoid trying to be someone you're not or pretending to like things you don't. Instead, focus on being true to yourself and showing your personality and values. When you are confident and authentic, you are more likely to attract the attention of anyone you want, regardless of the situation. In conclusion, attracting anyone without saying anything is possible with the right techniques and mindset. By focusing on your body language, appearance, eye contact, positive body language, showing interest through actions, and being confident and authentic, you can attract anyone you want, regardless of the situation. Remember to be genuine, kind, and respectful, and to focus on building a connection based on mutual interests and values. With these techniques, you can become more attractive and magnetic, and attract the attention of anyone you want, without saying a single word. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos on personal growth and self-improvement. And if you have any additional tips or techniques for attracting anyone without saying anything, please share them in the comments below. We would love to hear from you.